This home is the best bang for your buck. What's going on, guys? We're over here in West Covina touring a brand new manufactured home. We are in Tumbling Waters. Tumbling Waters is near a lot of shopping and restaurants and banks and doctors' offices. We are very centrally located. This is a great location. We're near the foothills of Glendora. So if you want more information, make sure you leave us a comment or contact us at manufacturedhousingexpert@gmail.com. This beautiful 2023 Champion Homes has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, is 22 feet wide by 44 feet long, and guess how much you can purchase this home for? Home values in California are just through the roof. You could purchase this home for under $180,000. And don't forget, when you purchase a new manufactured home in a leased land community, you only pay property taxes for the value of the home. You do not have to pay property taxes on the value of the land. This is going to save you thousands and thousands of dollars over the lifetime of you owning this home. As you can see, taking a look at the front of this home, we did take a little bit of a different approach. On this home, we did lap siding all the way across the front. But to mix it up, we did add 2 eyebrows with columns on each side to give it a little bit more curb appeal and more architecture. Now, we have the 6-inch hood. Some people confuse the hood with eaves, but your eaves are really on the side of the home. So we do have the 6 inches of the hood that protect the home from rain or weather. As we're walking in, you can see we've added the Trek steps. Trek steps are a lot more durable than just your standard wood or carpet. All right, and as we go inside this home, again, this is another open floor plan. But as you can see, it's different than other open floor plans that we've toured. In this home, we've decided to keep the carpet. Because this home's over here in West Covina, we're a little bit more price conscious. If somebody purchases this home, they can always take out the carpet and add some nice hardwood or PVC laminate flooring planks. But this carpet is very nice. It's very durable. We did upgrade this carpet so you have a thicker carpet pad. And if you get down here, you're going to see that this carpet is a little bit thicker than some of your standard carpet options. Another thing that's different about this home is we stuck with the cathedral ceiling. The cathedral ceiling is your standard ceiling here with Champion. And in my opinion, the cathedral ceiling actually opens the home up more than a 9-foot flat. You do have these lower side walls that are at about 7.5 feet versus your 9-foot flat ceilings. But because it goes up in the middle, I feel that it does open up the room and the living area that much more. And let's go in this kitchen over here. This is a cozy kitchen, but it's got everything you need. You know, this kitchen doesn't have a kitchen island, but check out this breakfast bar. You can fit 3 to 4 people up here at this breakfast bar. If you don't believe me, give me a call so that you could tour this home in person, bring your stools, and we'll see how many stools you could fit at this breakfast bar. We have these overhead cabinets. We included the stainless steel appliances, and we even have the stainless steel sink. Another thing that I almost forgot about this kitchen, I'll cover it really quickly, is we went with the cherry cabinets. These are hardwood cabinets. They're not soft closing hinges like other homes we tour. Check out some of our Silvercrest homes, but these are hardwood, and we went with cherry cabinets on this home. What would you prefer? Cherry cabinets, white cabinets, gray, or what color is your favorite? Tell us in the comment section. we have these laminate countertops with the bull nose edging. I do appreciate and like the bull nose the Champion does here on these laminate countertops. Now we did upgrade the backsplash. So we have the 6-inch backsplash tile. You have different colors you could choose from. You can have mosaic tile. You can even have the tile go all the way up to the cabinet. So you do have different options. If you didn't want this dishwasher and you wanted more cabinet space, you could turn this into a cabinet. So you do have options. You have the dishwasher option, or you can have your cabinets right there. Now, this faucet right here is a single lever faucet. The other option would be to have your gooseneck faucet with sprayer. We have this sprayer over here on the right. So tell us what you think. And now let's go through this utility room. This is your standard utility room. We added the shelving. If you'd like to upgrade it, you can add the cabinets up top, or you have other options. Now we have the dining area. This dining area is, you can easily fit a round table that fits 4 to 6 people. You could put a square table that fits 4 people. But again, remember, we do have this breakfast bar. But what's nice about this dining area is it opens up to the living room. So if you have a table with a leaf, you can put that leaf in, stretch it out, and it doesn't matter if it goes into the living area while you have your friends and family visiting. Now you're going to notice this home has plenty of lighting. We've added can lighting over the dining room. If you want one of a chandelier, we did omit the chandelier because this person thinks the chandelier just takes up space. So rather than the chandelier, we added the can lighting. So both of these guest bedrooms, you can fit a full-size bed with your nightstand and dressers. Again, you can fit everything you need. This guest bathroom has the shower tub combo option. The master bathroom, we were able to show you the walk-in shower. Again, you have options for both. Remember, this home is 22 feet wide by 44 feet long. And it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. So this master bedroom is as large as you need. You can fit everything you need. You could fit a king-size bed with a nightstand and a dresser. And check out how big this wall is. We all love having a flat screen TV in our bedroom. You got plenty of room for your flat screen TV. We added an extra window on each side of this wall so that you could put your bed in the middle, which allows a lot of natural light. And remember, these windows are dual pane vinyl windows, so this home is energy efficient. And then over here in the closet, you got plenty of room, but we try to add a walk-in closet wherever we can, but over here we couldn't fit a walk-in closet, so we added the mirrored wardrobe doors, which again, it opens up the room and makes it feel much larger. We wanted to fit all the affordable options in this home, and this bathroom has everything you need. This 60-inch walk-in shower. We couldn't fit a his and her sink, but we have your sink, and you have this area over to the left of the sink that you'd be able to put some more cabinets or your laundry basket or some cabinet space. So you do have some options. But this home is affordable. Again, you could purchase this brand new manufactured home for under $180,000. Thank you for watching this addition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. If you are interested in learning more about brand new manufactured homes or used mobile homes, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. See you next time.